This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz, and today we will discuss Claus sulfur converter process. This process was presented by a scientist Carl Friedrich Claus, and the purpose of this process was desulfurization. It's mean to remove sulfur. It is a most significant gas desulfurizing process. You can see a typical diagram of Claus sulfur converter process. Two types of sources of raw material are used. So the first one is recovery from natural gas. It's mean we recover sulfur from natural gas, and the second source is recovery from refining crude oil and other industrial process through a byproduct gases like rectisol, purisol, hydrocarbon, sulfur dioxide and ammonia, and other gases are so included. In the first step, hydrogen sulfide gas combustion take place in a furnace, and that reaction gives us sulfur dioxide. So you can see here as a result of reaction we are obtaining two products. The first one is sulfur dioxide and the second are water vapors. So this is a furnace in which two raw materials are entering. The first one is hydrogen sulfide, the second one is air, and air is here to provide oxygen for the combustion process and also react with sulfur to convert sulfur into sulfur dioxide, and as a result we get in this furnace liquid sulfur. So you know well that sulfur also available in three phases: liquid, solid and gaseous state, but here we get liquid sulfur. As a result of this reaction, hydrogen sulfide gas produce high quality sulfur in the form of liquid sulfur. So here you can see there are three exit points and all sulfurs are in liquid phases. Now observe this flow sheet and you will find two condensers. These are two circles which are indicating condensers. So a large portion of sulfur is removed in the first condenser. Now we proceed towards a second reaction, which is a catalytic reaction. So in the first furnace we got SO2 sulfur dioxide and the unreacted hydrogen sulfide also flow with this sulfur dioxide. So these both gases are sent towards the catalytic converter, and most commonly catalyst which is used for this reaction is activated bauxite. So you can also observe in this diagram these two converters which are showing with dotted lines, and the catalyst is activated bauxite catalyst. So catalytic reaction play an important role in this process. So the hydrogen sulfide which remain unreacted in furnace, here in this second step of catalytic reaction it convert into sulfur dioxide. So before emission into atmosphere, so we got approx 98% sulfur from these feed streams.